Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2007 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Classic, and this one is in black pearl. Has this really nice double pinstripe and like a really deep red. So we have dual disc brakes up in the front, and we have these really nice lowers, blacked out engine guards, heel toe shifter, floorboards for the rider and passenger, lots of protection, luggage rack up on top, speakers for the passenger, beautiful exhaust, and just a really clean, well taken care of bike. It's got the 6-speed in it. Again, this is a 2007 Electra Glide Ultra Classic, so come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.